The machine is in the window now, ready to be tested out. Very easy to install. It fit nicely in the window, and I found it was easy to do because the compressor was kind of more towards the front, so it was kind of balanced. It wasn't like really tipping towards the back. So let's go ahead and start it off on low, or the Siestas. Very quiet. The normal. And the fast. Which moves quite a bit of air. These louvers aren't quite right though. There's something, I don't know, something a little weird about them. Wow, that is nice. That is so quiet. And all you hear is the compressor. You can hardly even hear the fan. We're starting off at 75.6 degrees, 48% humidity. It's pretty nice already. Not much for this to do, but I'll let it run and see what it can do. I bet it can drop it into the 60s, no problem. Ice coming out of there. Still ice. Quality machine. Can't beat it. The machine's been running for a while. It's about 5:30 now. Temperature is a cold 68 degrees, and as the hygrometer says, a dry 35%. So that did quite well, pretty quickly too. That's high speed, normal. Motor doesn't sound too happy on normal. Low, or the Siesta, and you can hear that hum goes away. Both on fast and on Siesta it's quiet. And then listen for the hum. So I don't know what's going on with that. I think that motor has seen better days, but as long as it runs, it's staying put. And it probably will keep running for quite some time. So the performance is exceptional. Really quite exceptional. And it is getting cooler out now, but just for comparison, let's go into the other room here, which has had a fan in the window all day. And in here, it's still 77 degrees. 43, 44 humidity. It's not that humid today. It's getting humid now. You can see it's going up. Let's take a look outside and see the unit from the outside. The condensation is coming out the first and second holes. It was pouring out when I first turned it on. It's still quite a bit coming out. I don't know where that condensation is coming from. There is no moisture left in that room. It sounds great. It's still coming out quite a bit. It's impressive. The sound of that compressor really travels. I can hear it through the entire house. It's very, very subtle, but it can be heard. Kind of hear it through that window too, which is fine. It's a nice sound. Very, very cold. Well, this is a success. This machine works great. I don't remember where it was kicking on before, but I don't think it was all that much different. You know, I've never found that those kind of thermostats work that well, but that's fine. I don't use an air conditioner all that much. If I'm running a thing, I want the compressor on too. So if that doesn't really work that well, so be it. It's not a problem. So that's that. The Carrier Siesta Series. I think it's a 5600 or a 5000. It's a small unit, but it works great.